Hi, in this video I want to show you a Node MCU project that uses RFID to give the location of a student. For example, if they are in a drama class or a sports club or a library or exited the school. So I have 4 different cards, each have their own unique IDs, and so the new ones are number 4 and 5 as you see on the spreadsheet. So this is the sports. So if I touch, it says the student is in the sports club. Now if they touch again when they exit, it will again register as they exited or they just came out of the sports club. So number 4, for example, if you want to say they went to the library, touch it. So they are inside the library. Now if I touch again, it says it's exited the library. Now you can forget touch out. So for example, I go into the drama club. So I'm in drama class and I may not touch when I'm out. So if I want to get into the library, I go touch there. It will say I'm inside the library, and without touching at the library I can go back to this sports field. It's going to say I'm in sports club. Now when I'm done, if I touch, it says I exited the sports club. Let's take 3. Right now they exited the library, so let me go again. It says they are inside the library. Now let me go to the drama club. So I'm in the drama club. Now if I finish and I touch out, it will say I finished my drama class. So you can identify where a particular person is. This is the project. We used Node MCUs, RFID card readers, and RFID devices. The codes used are to hide the details, and it's only known to the person or the parents of that particular student. That's about this funny project.